Dear students, today we are going to discuss on general topic, that is chemistry in daily life. In chemistry is a main part in our daily life. Even human being or living beings on earth, even earth consists of chemicals. Human being consists proteins, peptides, acids, sometimes carbonates, bases, phosphates. Bones contains phosphates, calcium phosphate, water, hydrogen dihydrogen oxide, that is H2O. These are gastric juice. Is hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid is called as Jataranasam. So, man or human being is made up of most of the part is chemical. When you die, or when a man die, or a human being die, or living being dies, the proteins goes in the form of nitrogen oxides during burning. Nitrogen oxides, carbon dioxide, it goes with hydrogen in the form of water, H2O, steam. So, that human body goes in the Panchabhutas during cremation. That means most of the part is most of the part, or even 100% of the human being is chemical. Even earth you take, earth consists of several minerals, hematite, magnetite, and gold minerals and silver minerals, some other minerals also there. So, you will see the earth consists of various chemicals. That means every living being on earth's crust is made up of chemicals. Let us see how the chemicals which we are using in daily life from morning to night. For example, in the morning you will brush the teeth. Teeth is, calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate mostly. Brush is a polymer. It may be nylon or polyester or polythene, and this is a paste. Paste is a calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate powders you will take. It will be consists, and in addition to that, for cleaning agent, a surf like material will be there, detergent material will be there. In addition to that, whitening agent also is a chemical used in the tooth paste. Water is a H2O for washing the face, etc. And the creams, most of the creams consist of titanium dioxide, aluminum oxide, etc. Before going to the office or before going to the market, you will dress up. The cloths are polyesters you are using. The leathers is proteins, polyamides you can say, leather belts or leather chappals. So, at morning up to you are going up to the office, all are chemicals you are using. Afterwards, lunch. Paper is a cellulose. Paper consists of cellulose. And other thing, when you come to the lunch consists rice, dal. Rice is a starch. It consists of glucose units. And egg or dal consists of proteins. Those are called polyamides. sambar or rasam, it consists of tartaric acid and citric acid, pickle, citric acid. Milk is consists of lactose. Lactic acid, you will see the lactic acid. Curd and buttermilk consists of lactic acid mostly. After lunch, you will do some work, and afterwards even doing work, the energy is also coming by burning of the starch, carbohydrates, glucose in the presence of inhaled oxygen to liberate carbon dioxide and water and energy. That energy is which we are using. So our human life, day-to-day life involves chemical reactions. The digestion of the food is a chemical reaction. The hemoglobin is a chemical which consists mainly the iron at the center. Carboxy, when you inhale the carbon monoxide, the pollutant which are coming from automobiles, that blood will become carboxy hemoglobin, so that it loses its purifying the blood, purifying nature or inhaling nature or carrying nature of oxygen, it may lose. So that will cause some disease in that particular human being. Now let us come to the snack time, 4 o'clock. Snacks consist of again the powder of proteins and the starch, and in addition to that you take tea. Tea consists of theophylline. Coffee, if you take coffee consists of caffeine. Milk consists of lactose and fat, triglycerides. So the evening snacks also consist of the chemicals. Afterwards, night dinner. Dinner also consists simply rice. Rice consists of starch and polysaccharides, carbohydrates that are, and in addition to that rasam consists of acids, and curry consists of salts, and which are useful for the vitality of the human being. And iron comes from the curries, salts comes from the curries. So these are all useful. Vitamins are also chemicals. They are also coming from curries. So these are all are indirectly it fills the most of the chemicals are filled in the human being when they are adjusted. So if you go to the bed, the bed is wood and polyester pillows, polyester what you can call bed, and the cot is made up of cellulose. Cot is made up of cellulose. Iron cots contains iron or steel. Steel is nothing but iron, chromium and carbon. So these are all, and the bed sheets also polymers, polyesters. So all are made up of chemicals. That means in human life, from daily morning to evening for night, is involved with chemicals. Even man is made with chemicals. Not only man, the universe is made up of universe is the earth and other parts of the, suppose moon. Moon is also, they are seeing for helium gas and oxygen gas and the silicon dioxide, alumina, such as materials, minerals. Then only water, all are chemicals. For that purpose only In recent years, the moon landing is happened, is done. That means the universe is made up of chemicals. The air is made up of chemical, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, fluorine and other things, chlorofluorocarbons, of ozone, these are all chemicals. So in daily life, everything is involved, the chemicals. So chemistry is very important to study, to understand all these about in the universal materials. Thank you. Please subscribe.